The GW1949 Wiseway from US Stove eliminates the need for electricity by utilizing a natural gravity feed system that eliminates all mechanical parts, meaning less maintenance and less breakdowns. This revolutionary design is the only EPA-certified and UL-listed pellet stove on the market today. With 40,000 BTUs, it can heat a home up to 2,400 square feet while remaining a clean-burning and energy-efficient stove. The Wiseway is easy to operate. This stove uses a natural draft that will take over and ramp the stove up to temperature. Adjustments can be made by simply opening and closing the fresh air intakes on the front of the stove. The window allows you to see the flame traveling up the body of the stove. All of this is accomplished in a stove that is only 52 inches high, 15 inches deep, and only 24 inches wide. Best of all, this stove is the perfect source of heat for areas that are prone to blackouts or off-the-grid installations. Thank you for watching this video. For more information on the GW1949 or any of our other products, please visit usstove.com or give us a call at 1-800-750-2723.